Why did we choose Bangkok? Because after our discussion with Tourism Malaysia, did you know that Bangkok was just declared a duty-free island? So yeah, we have another spot where we can enjoy our island, our beach, and get duty-free products. We feel that the duty-free will boost up the tourism industry domestically, okay, and also internationally. The challenges that we had in Bangkok is that there are quite a number of litters around. We do appreciate how people like to go to the beaches and all, but they do leave their decoration behind. To be honest, this is the second time I'm in Bangkok in 10 years. And to my surprise, Bangkok has grown a lot. It's been very beautiful. And there are a lot of local tourists that we have seen. We are very happy about that. It's, the industry is boosting up. We went around. You can get your car rental over there. You get good food over there. And remember, there's always the duty-free right now over there.
Next stop at Sepang.
Let's go!